Welcome back to Learn by Rahul, and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic. What is smoke testing? So today we are going to discuss about what is smoke testing, why do we need to perform smoke testing, types of smoke testing, and how many types interviewer can ask about smoke testing. First understand what is smoke testing. So smoke testing the basic and critical features of the application before testing in depth or thoroughly or entirely application is called smoke testing. Take a live example. Suppose we have a project like Flipkart and client has given 30 days to complete it. So firstly we need to understand what is critical and basic features. Let me take a live example of Flipkart. Suppose I want to purchase a mobile. Okay, so I'm just searching mobile. Okay, then I want to add to cart this product, adding. Okay, now place the order. I will enter delivery address. Okay, order summary, payment options. Okay, then click on continue, and the payment option, suppose I want to the case on delivery, and then confirm the order. So this is the basic and critical features of e-commerce website. Okay, so what I said, here we test the basic and critical features before testing the entire application. Here are also some more functions, but it is not important. So this is what basic and critical features before testing the thoroughly the entire application is called smoke testing. Now we talk about why do we need to perform smoke testing. So suppose we have a project Flipkart and client has given 30 days to complete it. Okay, so the 20 days developer has taken to develop it. Now tester test all module one by one, and after 5 days he find an issue. So here we find that have any critical issues takes like 5 days. The developer accept that issue and says it will take more than 10 days, but client has given only 30 days for entire project. So if we test the basic and critical features before the testing the thoroughly the entire application, so the major and critical issues we can find earlier, and the developer can resolve that issue within the time, and the tester can test that application within the time, and we can deliver that particular application to our client under the deadline. If we talk about interview point of view, so interviewer can ask about like when we need to perform smoke testing. So the answer is a very first time when the developer give the build to the tester for the testing. So we test the basic and critical features, so we can say we perform the smoke testing. So it is a very first testing to test that application, right? So that's why the smoke testing is very important. Now we talk about types of smoke testing. Formal smoke testing is like the company have particular test cases and test scenario to perform the smoke testing. So we execute that scenarios one by one or the test cases. So that is come under the formal smoke testing. And in informal smoke test we don't have any smoke test cases or the scenarios. So on the basis of the QA experience or the tester experience, he start testing informal way. So that is come under the informal smoke testing without any types of scenarios and test cases. Now we talk about the name of smoke testing, or every time the interviewer can ask about not smoke testing, he can ask about the build verification testing, or what is build acceptance testing, what is confident testing, or what is try run testing, health checkup of the product, or positive testing. So these are the names where the interviewer can ask to you to confuse. Okay, so this is the entire of smoke test. Like my video, you can subscribe my channel for more videos and update. Thank you.